Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2016 LS 460. Refined and indulgent, yet willing to let loose when given the opportunity, the LS 460 boasts a V8 engine that delivers 380 horsepower with an innovative 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.